Good morning, students. Welcome back to today's class. Today we are going to see that accounting for partnership basic concept, revision video number 2. Here we can see that provision relevant for that accounting, or what are the items in that Indian Partnership Act. First thing we can see that profit sharing ratio. So the Companies Act, Indian Partnership Act 1932 is saying that the profit and loss should be equally divided among the partners. The point is not our. The Partnership Act is saying that Partnership Act, not Partnership Deed. Partnership Act is saying that that profit or loss, whatever is that, should be divided equally among the partners, regardless of the capital contribution. That means if here is one partnership, for example, you form that one partnership with 5 members. That first person brought that 1,000, second person 2,000, third person 3,000, like that different amount they brought. But according to that, the Partnership Act, when profit comes, that profit should be divided equally. But there is some other adjustment or option is also there. If there is no other agreement, you understand, no? If there is any agreement, that means a partnership deed is there. Suppose there is partnership deed. In that time, that profit will be distributed on the basis of how much agreed ratio, that ratio. If there is no partnership deed, in that time, which is valid? Indian Partnership Act 1932 is valid. Got clear, no? But at the same time, if they formed a partnership deed, and partnership deed is saying that their profit sharing ratio is at according to their contribution 1:2:3:4:5, then it will be according to that. What ratio they agreed, that ratio. If there is no partnership deed, then which act will valid?
But everybody should be equal.
That is Indian Partnership Act 1932 is valid, and according to that Indian Partnership Act, that profit should be equally divided regardless of their capital contribution. Next is that interest on drawings. So, if interest on capital. Next is that interest on capital. So, according to Indian Partnership Act, there is no interest to any of the partner unless there is no partnership deed. If there is partnership deed, and partnership deed is saying that each partners will get this much percentage of interest on their capital means that is valid. If there is no partnership deed, then what will be there? There is no interest on capital. Yes, interest on capital means this is here you see that in case if partners are, you imagine that not this much block. If there is 3 partners, that 3 partners agreed to bring the capital in the form of the 3,000, 5,000 and 7,000. Just imagine that. These 3 partners, they brought that, but there is they decided to divide that the profit equally. You understand, no? They decided to divide the profit equally. That means 1:1:1 equally they are dividing that the profit. But at the same time, they formed one partnership deed. In that they mentioned that partners will get interest on their capital. So then it is benefit for those who invested more. You understand now? they will get that much percentage of the profit. You understand, no? So how much contribution is there? That much. If 6% interest is providing for that 6% on the capital means here you know that one who invested more, they will get some more. That means from business or from the side of partnership business, for the business it is loss, but for the partners individually it is their gain or their profit, their benefit. You understand now? Two way you have to understand that for the partners individually that interest on capital is benefit, but for the business that we are showing as that expense for that business. You got clear now?
Yes, sir.
So here one thing is that there is no interest on capital according to Indian Companies Act unless there is no partnership deed. Next is that interest on drawings. Interest on drawing means actually when partners are withdrawing some amount from the business, they need to pay that interest or not. Actually, there is no interest to pay to the business if there is no partnership deed. Now you understood clearly now? Only if partnership deed is there, that partnership deed means here this 3%, A, B, C. Just imagine these are 3%. These 3% are agreed for that the partnership deed. They are making that these things, some points. Okay, we have to bring this much of capital. For capital, that the profit distribution will be in that the 3:5:7 ratio, and interest on capital can be 5%. Interest on drawings may be 6%. Like that, if these 3 persons are agreeing and they are forming, then we call that is partnership deed. Then it will divide all things according to that partnership deeds. And instead of that, if here is XYZ, and if they are not making any partnership deed, then what will be there? There is nothing like this. Just profit will be equally distributed, and there is no interest on capital. There is no interest collected by that. Interest on drawings at the same time is income for the business and loss for that particular partner who draws that amount from the business. You understand now? But for that partnership act is not saying any interest. But in case yes, partnership deed is saying, then there will be. Next is that interest on advances or loans. Here is another point is that this loan means apart from the capital contribution, sometime the partners are giving some advances or loans to the business. In that time, those partners are, according to Indian Partnership Act itself, 1932 itself, by itself, it is saying that 6% of per annum, 6% of interest per annum to that loans to the business. If any of that partner is provided, for example, here this partner. This is his capital contribution. After that, he gave that 10,000 rupees to the business as advances or loans. You understand now? For business that is liability, and the business has to pay 6% of interest annually to this partner, only to this partner. This is even it is mentioned in that the partnership deed or not, it must be provided because it is already mentioned in the Partnership Act. And the partnership deed is saying that more interest, then he is able to get that more amount as that interest for that loan. but less amount cannot be given. The minimum is at the 6%. You got clear now? Next is at the remuneration for partners work. According to that Partnership Act 1932, there is no any remuneration for any of that the partner who work for that business. No salary for that the partners.
Who are kept by partnership firm.
Yes, who are working for that the partnership firm. But there is also one option is that if partnership deed is saying that whomever is working for that they are provision is for this much provision, then it is possible. You understand now? Both way you understand that one is that Partnership Act. According to Partnership Act, there is no salary. If creating a partnership deed, then that person is eligible to get that according to that the partnership deed. Time is up.